Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to iterate map data type from Apex and display it in Lightning Web Component. In Lightning Web Component, it is easier to display list data type because using JavaScript, it will be returned as an array, and it will be very easy to display it using data table or iterator or for each template in Lightning Web Component. But in this demo, we are going to see how to iterate and display map data type in Salesforce Lightning Web Component. For this demo, I created an Apex class. The return type of fetch map data method is map of ID comma account. I'm getting ID, name and industry fields from account object, and then I have set a limit as 5 so that I'm getting only 5 records. The return type is map of ID comma account. So I'm going to use this class and method in my Lightning Web Component using wire framework, and then I'm going to fetch the data which is going to be written map of ID comma account. I'm going to iterate it and then I'm going to display it in Lightning Web Component. So let's directly go to the JavaScript. So here I'm using wire framework. I'm getting the map data type by calling this method in this Apex class using wire framework. Once the data is returned, I'm using key in the data which is returned, and then I'm constructing a temporary record variable where I'm setting the value as data of key and key as key. So this is going to be the key and this is going to be the value. This is the property I'm setting it to this temp record as an object, and then I'm checking whether this map records is not undefined or is not null. So here I have declared my map records. Since first time, if let's say I'm getting 5 records, for the first record it will go to the else condition because map records is undefined here. So it will assign one record to the map records variable. For the second record, it will again construct this temporary record variable where value will be the data of key, and the key will be the key that is returned in the map. So like that I'm constructing, and then I'm attaching it to the map records variable. Since for the second record this won't be undefined, it will come to this. Using this assignment, I am actually adding another entry into my map records array variable declaration. Like that I'm adding all the records to my map records variable, and I have a console.log statements to show the records. Next, in my Lightning Web Component, I am using template for each framework, and here I am using map records variable. For each record I am using REC as the variable. For table row I am using the key as the key that is in the map return type, and for displaying the account records I am using value.name and value.industry. Here when the map data type returns, I am constructing the key and value attribute in the object by passing the key as the key that was returned, and value is the value that was written from the map data type. For value here it is going to be my account record. So it will display the name and industry. So here it is displaying 5 account records for me, where I am using the key as the table row key here, and I am displaying the account name and account industry value. So this is the crucial code which is very important. Since in Lightning Web Component, since we are using JavaScript in the Lightning Web Component, we have to convert the map return type to an array to display it in our Lightning Web Component. Please check the video description. I have shared my blog post. From the blog post, you should be able to get this sample code. Use this sample code as a reference and adjust it as per your business requirement. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.